Hello, today topic is upgrade Kubernetes from version 1.28 to 1.29. 1 is major version, 28 is minor version, X is patched version. Okay, remember this one. Let's get into the topic. Preparation of the Kubernetes cluster. Let's see. This is what I am going to be upgrading actually. In my system, I am telling that. If you want to upgrade this version also or this version means minor version or patched version, the process is same. Okay, follow the same process. Instead of changing the 28, you have to change the only instead of 5 to instead of 10 like this. Okay, the minor version of the cluster is same, but patched will be upgraded. Okay. Okay, what are those cluster nodes has to be upgraded? All the cluster nodes, including control plane, it means master node and remaining worker nodes. If you have 2 worker nodes or 4 worker nodes, you have to do master node, 2 master nodes or 4 master nodes, you have to do. The first is master node has to start. In that nodes, what should we have to upgrade? There are 3 major tools are there. Those needs to be upgraded. Then the cluster itself get upgraded. That is KubeADM, the installation tool, Kubelet, Node Agent, kubectl. This is the kubectl is a CLI that interact with the masternode API server. Okay, so let's check the what are the nodes are there in my Kubernetes cluster. First time I am logged into my server. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm checking what are the nodes are there. How many nodes I have configured actually. kubectl get nodes. So I have 2 nodes. One is kmaster, another one is kworker1.demo.com. Okay, 2 are in ready state. Remember, now version is 1.28.10. My version is 1.28.10. Okay, so master node and one worker node. What is the next step? Check the version of the all. Already there we have checked that master node and worker node are both are there in the 1.28.10, 1.28.10. So remember this one. At the end of the upgrade, this has to upgraded. All the master node and worker node need has to be upgraded automatically after upgrading those tools. Okay. Check the each individual tool. What is the current version? All the tools should be on the same version. Otherwise, that is there should be a conflict in the node. Let me clear the screen. Let me clear the screen. KubeADM version -o. I'm taking the output in JSON format. You can see version of the my KubeADM it is there in the version 1.28.10. Another way also you can get it, KubeADM version. Simply you can get that minor version, major version, and this is the patched version. Okay, these are the git commits actually. Okay, you need not to worry about it. Okay. What next? See the kubelet version. Kubelet version you cannot get directly. You have to get it from the cluster node itself. What happened? kubectl is not working properly. kubectl describe nodes grep-i kubelet enough. So you can see that kubelet is the version of the kubelet, it will be there in somewhere. Otherwise, directly you can mention inside this version. Then you will get the 1.28.10. Fine. So we have verified all the versions. Now kubelet version. kubectl get kubectl version. You can see the kubectl or kubectl version, client version, server version, everything is same. Clear. Client version is nothing but the tool if you are running from your local machine, then the client version. So it shows that both the versions, right? Here server version. Always client and server version should be same. Otherwise, there should be some conflict, some glitches in the operations. Okay. Next is the preparation state completed and go for the control plane master node upgrade. So unhold the QBADM first. At the time of after installation completed, you might not know, doesn't know that, because in real time this can be installed and configured someone else, and you might have a chance to get upgraded. Okay, so unhold the QBADM. Before that, just drain the all workloads excluding demand sets from the master node. So for that we have to use this command. So what is my master node name? Kmaster. You can see here, right? Let me show you. kubectl get nodes. See, what is my master node name? Kmaster, right? So I have updated my master node Kmaster. I am running this to drain all workloads except demand set. Warning, it has given cordoned the master node demand set excepting these pods. So what are the pods are evicted? These are the pods are evicted from the core DNS, Calico, core. These are the pods has been evicted. Now what is the current state of the node, master node? After after running the drain, the master node can be scheduling disabled. So nothing will be run in the master node now. No deployment can run. Okay. Now at the time of after installation, three tools are kept on the hold actually, because we don't want to surprise unexpectedly or unwantedly or unknowingly the kubectl, kubelet and kubeadm get frequent updated from the server. That can be used as a inconsistency between the cluster nodes. So that's what after installation completed, we kept all the nodes including master and cluster nodes, master and worker nodes, kept these three tools on hold. Now we have to check whether it is on hold or not. It might be someone has maybe unholded knowingly, unknowingly. See, if it's showing that kubadm show hold, it means it is on hold. If nothing is displayed, someone has released the hold, means it was unholded someone else. Okay, so now we have to unhold it. After this command also, let's check the same command, what you get output. So cancelled hold on that. Now check the status. Nothing displayed. It means it is now unholded. Okay. Now go to the check current version of the what are the current kubadm versions available in the server repo. So we have only 1.28 is the last version, 10 is the last patch version. We don't have 1.29. So how can we get? We have to update the server repo with the kubadm repo. So for that we need to run the below command. See here, it has changed 1.29. Okay, so update the server repository with Kubernetes 1.29 repositories. Done. Now update the server to sync up server and Kubernetes latest version. It is getting updated. Now completed. Permission is denied. Okay, switch to the sudo user. Let me run it. At the time of update, I have to put sudo. I forgot it. Okay, now exit the, clear the screen. Everything is updated. Now see this, what is there in the current version of the Kubernetes kubadm in the server. You can see now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 versions are available. Whatever the version you want, you can upgrade it. You want to up to date, you can pick up this last version. Okay. Okay, now this completed, and now install the kubadm with current version. So I want to change the current version, whatever displayed in the last. I am taking this one, remove this one, copy paste, install it. it is getting installed. kubeadm is getting upgraded with the current version 1.29.5. Okay, now completed. The next step is to hold it again, because installation is completed. Now we have to hold the kubeadm. Done. Now verify the version of the kubeadm. We are yet to upgrade it. Okay, kubeadm version. So what is the version now? Major version is 29, right? Now let's see, clear the screen. Now verify the upgrade plan. If this upgrade plan can give you, is it ready for the upgrade or any issues are there? It is checking the cluster readiness. Okay, so no, everything is ready. Yep, everything is ready. Now we can go for the upgrade. So making the configuration is correct, readiness configuration, running the pre-flight checks, it checks all the configuration files, available versions to upgrade. So cluster version is this one and kubeadm version is this one. Now we're ready for upgrade the cluster with kubeadm, kubelet version, current version, so target version, kubelet, upgrade to the list of stable versions, current version, target version. Okay, this is the, if any if you have any issues here, you need to rectify it, and I have to go for further. Now control pin, upgrade, apply, kubeadm, upgrade, apply whatever the current is there. I have 5, right? I seen that it is 5. Otherwise you can get it from somewhere, the output. Copy this one, sudo, sorry. Now it is upgrading, cluster also upgrading with kubeadm version. Yes, you want to go to upgrade. Yeah, it is given the cluster version, we want this one, Kubernetes server this one. So cluster version to this one. We have chosen to change the cluster version to 1.29.5. Earlier it was this one, and it is going to be this one. Yes. Pulling the images from the Kubernetes repository, not only from the server. It is downloading from outside the server. It is going to the repository of the kubernetes.io and pull all the images, required images. It is nothing but like, it is what is happening. kubeadm init in the installation time we run, then it can start pre-flight mode and upgrade all the control plane, master node components like etcd, API server, proxies, controllers, schedulers, cloud control manager if it is there. All these can be pulled to the server, and then that can be upgraded to the latest required, desired version. Nothing but installation is happening, current version installation is happening. It's going on, it's taking some time. It is taking actually preparation state. We have to take some of the manifest file upgrade before upgrading. We have to take backup of the certificates and manifest files, but we did not taken that. So why? Because it automatically takes backups to create the temp file, and it can take the backup whatever is required. If you copy paste this all the data, you will get much information. It takes automatically, it takes all the C. Mode new manifest file. All manifest files automatically it can take backup, and PKIs, the certificates also it takes backups. Configuration files also it will take backup. etcd also it will take backup because it is storage. Now successfully completed the cluster 1.295. Okay. Now what should we do? Check the version, kubeadm version, sudo kubeadm version -o JSON format. Now 1.295, major version, minor version. Okay, so now the cluster is upgraded, and we need to upgrade the other tools, kubelet and kubectl. For that, unhold as it is, kubeadm like unhold it, unholded, and run the update statement, sorry, update command. It also needs to be sync up with the Kubernetes repository with server repository. Done, and then upgrade it. Need to change the version. So the version I am taking is, how do you take the version? You have to change these versions. If you are not giving anything, what it will do, see simply, if you are not giving any version here, it will pick up the current version in the repository, current latest version, and it will start upgrading. Need not to mention the version. Whatever the current version is there in the server, that can be picked up if we are not giving the version of the tool at the end of the tool equals to like. So now hold this kubectl and kubelet. We don't want to surprise it in the mid of this, and restart the daemons of this kubelet. I can upload this document in the GitHub. Okay, completed. Now uncordon. Uncordon. Currently, what is the current master node status? kubectl get nodes. So what is it? It is in schedule disabled. We have to enable it. Ready? Master node now all are upgraded. You can see that master node is 1.29.5. Worker node is still it is there. So we need to upgrade worker node. The process is same as it is in the master node. So now we need to uncordon the master node. It is not controller. In my case, it is kmaster. My master node name is. Now uncordoned. Check this kubectl get nodes ready. So it can accept the any schedules. I mean pod scheduling or deploying any applications. It can accept, API server can accept the deployments from outside, any automated deployments, scheduled deployments and everything. Now upgrade the worker nodes as it is, whatever there in the drain first worker node. My worker node name is this one. I am replacing this one with my worker node. I am running it in the master node itself because worker node can be scheduled in the master node itself. Cannot delete pods with local storage. Okay, this is expected. Here you can see this. This is expected error. So this error is automatically given the solution also. So pods are not drained actually. Let's see that kubectl get pods -o wide. Is there any? Yeah, in worker node there are 3 pods are running. So the pods are still running. So we need to drain it. Drain it means it is giving that -delete empty directory. We have to use along with the drain. We have to use this one -delete drain data. It is evicting and the pods are evicting. Let's check the pod status again after evicting the pods. Now let's check that there are no pods running in the or pending state. So there is no pod. All these running pods are now evicted from the node and it is in pending state. Let's go for upgrade the node itself now. Sudo unhold, go to the worker node now. The rest of commands has to be executed on the worker node. Only eviction has to be run in the master node. Copy. Yeah, cancelled and update this repository. This repository has not been updated. So as it is, whatever we ran here, that has to be run in the worker node itself. Okay, sudo right, then update the server, apt update, sudo apt update. What happened? Sudo apt get update. Spelling mistake. Yeah, after that install the kubeadm this version. Clear the screen. Current version. This version is current version. Now it is kubeadm is getting upgrading to 1.29.5. Now completed. If you are not giving any of such kind of version also, it will pick up the current version. So what is the current version available? You can choose this command cache Madison kubeadm, it will display. So this is the latest version. It will pick up automatically this latest version. Okay, go to the worker node. Everything is completed. Now what has to done? Installation has been completed, right? So now upgrade. Okay, upgrade is completed successfully. Go to the drain worker node. Already we have drained the worker node, completed it. This is has to complete before the every activity start on every node. I need to change it from here to there. And now upgrade the kubelet and kubectl. Before that we have to unmark it as a clear the screen, unhold it. I am deleting the version, need not, because whatever the current version in the server, that can automatically pick up. Now update the server and install the kubelet and kubectl latest versions. Parallel it will done, because I given 2 ampersands. One command after another command will start executing. Done. Kubelet and kubectl also upgraded. Now restart daemons of kubelet. To work the function work properly, then you have to restart the kubelet because it is node agent. Now completed. Uncurtain the worker node. So what is the current state of the worker node? Clear the screen. kubectl get node. Sorry, not here. In the master node. kubectl get node. It is in unscheduled. Whatever the pod status in the worker node, kubectl get pods -o void. So there are no parts assigned to the worker node. Now if you see that ready 001. Now uncurtain the worker node. Worker node name is this one. Uncurtained. Now check the status of the pods as well as node. Pods are scheduled. One of one is running. What is the node status now? It should be ready. Ready. Earlier it was scheduling disabled. Ready, scheduling disabled. So the master and the worker node upgradation has been completed. I am checking all the components health report. Clear the screen. All are okay. So it means everything is run, pinging, logging, etc, post, start API server, and everything is running fine. Now this is the process to upgrade either minor version of the Kubernetes or patch level of the Kubernetes. I have one master node and one worker node. That's what. After master node, I have upgraded worker node. If you have 3 more worker nodes, you have to do the one after one only. Okay. Thank you.